Hi friends, today we're going to talk about pine cones and pine trees. I found this pine cone over from one of the pine trees outside of school. We're going to find out about a lot of facts in this story about pine cones and pine trees. Cones come from other trees. Pine cones grow on pine trees, and when they're all ready, they fall to the ground. They have seeds inside of them sometimes that will make other pine trees. So let's find out. Trees come from cones that are called conifers. Conifers have seeds, but the seeds aren't always inside. Conifers are some of the oldest seed plants on Earth. That type of plant has been around for more than 300 million years. That is older than I am, older than your parents, older than your grandparents, older than your aunts and uncles. Way long time. Pine trees have different shapes. This one is straight, and this one gives off pollen. Pollen is a special dust that helps make new plants. Here is another type of pine cone. It looks more like the one I have. It's called a woody. They also make seeds. When they are young, they grow on a tree. We'll have a picture inside the story that will tell you all about that. Here's a pine cone that gives off seeds, and the seeds go to the ground and they will make other trees. The wind and animals move the seeds around. When a pine seed lands on the ground, it sends roots into the soil and little shoots come up. Little shoots come through the ground straight up, and you can see the seed at the top. The shoots will become a seedling, and then when it has enough sunlight and water, it will turn into a little tree, and then it'll grow and grow. A seedling with enough room to grow will become a new pine tree. Next time you're in see a pine cone, take a closer look. That brown woody cone has an important job. So something fun that we're going to do is an experiment. We're going to take the pine cone, which is completely open, and we're going to put it in a glass of water. We're going to let it go all the way down, and we're going to leave it overnight to see what happens. Try this at home and send me an email when you figure out what happens to the pine cone. Thanks a lot. Bye, friends.